Hey guys, I'm trying to replace the Cricket spikes for my old worn out Asics shoes, and as you can see some of the spikes have really lost their grip, and I managed to do some of them but not all of them. Like you can see, some of them are actually coming off. So what tools will I be using? I'll be using a pair of pliers, a key that came with the spikes, the new ones, and a very sharp screw. And the reason I'm using that is because you see these holes here. Now most of the times they actually get filled and you cannot take anything out with the key. So what happens is when you put the key in, it starts to split, and you can see it's starting to tear this plastic and it's getting very hard. And these are really not gripping. So what I've done is I've taken this screw and I made a little push into this, like that, to get the dirt out from this hole. And now by pushing this pin in, I'm able to twist it out. Either you can use the pliers, or these has already come off quite nicely. So here we are, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the new spikes in, and I can tighten it with the key that's come through. Okay, thank you.